Now we're going to talk about your fear, the fear of being in front of the class. And believe me, everyone is a little bit afraid before a workshop starts. Every instructor I know has a little bit of tension in the bottom of their stomach and they're saying, can I do this? What will my students be like? Can I really teach them all that I have and all that I know? Remember, you know more than your students. So yes, you can teach them. Your students are there to learn something new and they're hopeful. And if you show them how much you love that subject, they're going to love it too. Focus on making it happen for them. Conquering your fear of being in front of people, in front of the room, is a big one. Imagine you're speaking to a friend. In fact, that's really the best advice you can have is make believe you're talking to your best friend. And when you talk, you're relaxed and the information comes easily. Well, that's the way it should be in front of the classroom too. So, step one, before you start, smile. Take a deep breath. Try not to have it show though. And introduce yourself first. Once the students know you a little more, they'll relax too. You can go around the room and have them introduce themselves. That helps too. That helps them get to know each other. And then ask them, you know, how much experience they have and what they want out of the class. That'll help the other students and you realize where they're at as far as learning goes. That's a really good icebreaker. Explain what you will be doing with them. Very slowly, just give them a brief overview. Start with step one. Let them ask questions when they don't understand the steps. Remember, speak slowly. This helps you relax and it helps them too. All the information you're giving out for each step is all new to them and it takes time for them to absorb it. Here's your task. Write down the steps of your first lesson. Writing down settles your mind and starts you working on a structure that you will follow. It helps you organize your mind, so that's really important. Then practice in front of the mirror. Try these steps and then we'll see you in the next section. Have fun.